YouTube? Sorry, I'm back with another video and I'm gonna make it a good one. So I'm gonna talk about what happens if someone breaks into your house. Are you allowed to shoot them or are you allowed to kill them? So let's say you have an intruder or you have a burglar and you're home and you're sleeping, or you're home and whatever you're doing in your own home that you are comfortable to do, and someone breaks in your home. So if that person breaks in and they are trying to harm you or harm a member of your family or someone that is in your home, you can only use the same force they are using against you. So if they are not causing you any physical harm or any danger, but they are just trying to gather things out of your house and steal them, you cannot harm that person. If they see you, you demand that they leave and they turn around and they are leaving, you cannot shoot them in their back. You cannot harm them. You cannot try and kill them or do something to them. Now, if they come in and they are doing something to your child or a spouse or a parent or some type of third party that is in your home, and the burglar or intruder is trying to harm that person, you can still use the same force against the burglar that they are using against that third party. So if they come in, they're armed, and they are trying to shoot them, and you have a gun, you can shoot them back. But if they are not trying to shoot you or stab you or kill you or cause you any harm, you cannot cause them any harm. So that's our video for today. I hope you found it helpful. And please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, I'd like you guys to just comment below. Tell me what kinds of videos you'd like me to do, because I have a ton of things I'd love to talk about. See you next time. Bye.